The pet store at night. A lot happens at our house when our owners turn out the lights, lock the doors, and leave for the night. In fact, most of the fun stuff happens when the shop is closed and we can get out and really stretch our legs. No one, especially our owners, would ever know the adventures we have when the close sign is put in the window. You see, we live in a pet shop. Edgar's Pet Shop, to be exact. It's the biggest and friendliest pet shop in the Tri-County area. Well, that is what the sign on the window says, at least. I haven't been to other pet shops, but I do think ours is awfully big and everyone here is pretty friendly, except for Sal. He is grumpy, but everyone else is pretty friendly. When the lights go out, we each have our own routines as we settle in for the night. I'm Lucy, and I'm a Dalmatian. I have 42 spots and like to chase my tail. I know that I have 42 spots because I count them almost every day when the shop closes. Once the owners lock up and drive away, I unlock my kennel. We all know how to do that. And head right towards the mirror that is by the bird cages. I like to count them every night because I want to know if I have gotten any more over the course of the day. However, it's always the same, 42 spots. While I'm over at the bird cages, I love to say hello to Ryder. He is a green parrot, one that you see on postcards of island vacations. Ryder is very friendly and loves to talk, but most of the time, he just repeats what I say. It can make conversations with him a little boring, but he is fun and usually really happy. At closing time, Ryder loves to climb out of his cage and fly around the shop, singing and whistling. Sal, the grumpy one, is a shark. He's not a big shark that might eat you, even though he'd like you to think that. He's a small shark that lives in an aquarium across the shop from my kennel. Sal hates when Ryder flies all around, and Ryder takes great care to be sure to swoop down by Sal's aquarium. Ryder gets really close to the water and screeches. It always scares Sal, and he tries to swim up and snap Ryder. It never works. Ryder is too fast, and Sal is too slow. But sometimes I think that Sal doesn't really want to hurt Ryder, and is a little extra slow to give Ryder time to fly away. Sal says that he is grumpy because the years of kids tapping on his aquarium have given him anxiety. I think that he is grumpy because he never sleeps and is always swimming around in his water. If he would just take a nap, I think he would feel a lot better. A few tanks over from Sal lives a python named Bob. While you would think having a python slithering around the shop would be a little scary, it is actually not at all. Bob never comes out of his tank. He's afraid of everything. Bob is a bit of a scaredy cat, scaredy snake? He spends most of his time in his tank hiding his head under a rock. One day, I might get adopted into a home with a family and children. When that happens, I think that I'll miss Ryder, Bob, and even Sal. They're my family right now, and we're all part of the biggest and friendliest pet shop in the Tri-County area. That's saying something. Now, the close sign is up, which means I've got to hit the bird cages and count my spots. I might have grown another spot today.